we both turn forward to the center of our hole. So we both go the first part. I go forward, my partner go backward, but now both of us go only forward. Forward. This is the most difficult because we go from the our internal leg, so this is not so easy. Forward. Now we are turning to each other. Turning like closing the door. Close, promenade, and beginning position. Okay? It's like recovery. One more time. And slow, prepare, half step with rotation. Side step with rotation. So she has big rotation, not like me. I stay, only understand that I go next steps to another 90-degree. Okay, maybe better to stay here because yes. How's your name?
Steve.
Steve. Hi, Steve. Andrew. Please, Steve, join in this part because it's better to I will not. I have no idea to create a problem for your neck. Okay, and go, close, stay, recovery position, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So you see, 3, 4 is faster. Then 1, 2, then 3, 4 will be fast. 3, 4, and slow for recovery. And slow action, slow action. This will be quick action. Then slow action, quick, and slow action. Okay, let's start one more time.